That was another check post there. So I think we entered Kerala right now. And this Kuru Island, and going right you will go to Tirunelli temple. Subscribe to my channel Distraction Roots and be a part of the Distraction Roots family. And also you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Hey guys, welcome to yet another video of Distraction Roots. Right now we are at the Evergreen County. We had great 2 days here, and most of them here you can see with their bikes. All the team, they are going back to Bangalore, but I will be heading towards Wayanad, and I will show you guys how Wayanad is and all the experience out there. So all of them are getting ready and they are about to leave. There. All the bikes are ready. All are geared up and all that. So it was a wonderful stay here. We had great fun here and wonderful it was. And we'll be going, I will be going towards Wayanad, and they will be heading back towards Bangalore. So I'll be missing them in the ride. This was my first ride with DRCB, so it will be fantastic, and I'll show you the road or the way going towards Wayanad. It should be a beautiful drive from Coorg to Wayanad. All of them are getting ready here, and it was great stay. Mithun bhai here, I'll miss you. We had a great time there, and our ghost stories, I'll catch up, update you with the ghost stories. And Irfan here, we had a great time too. Okay, and then here is Madhu bhai. We had a great time. We are meeting for the first time. And here, he is the one who put me in the ride. He is the one who contacted me and all that. Venki here. Thank you so much, bro. And I will introduce you this guy later on. But because you will be already introduced in the video.
Yeah.
And this is Binish. Sorry.
Bhajan.
And
Midun asked for something.
this is Dinesh. I had shown you guys the Explorer. He is the Explorer Dinesh. He's got a YouTube channel. So that's it. And this is Binish again, and I missed out his name. Carrying 10 names together at a time was difficult. I'm just meeting them for the first time. So catch up, guys. We'll miss you guys on the ride. It was fantastic riding with you guys.
Thank you.
And I will keep you posted going to Wayanad, and it should be a great time, and you guys also have fun going towards Bangalore. So I will miss it.
We'll miss you too, bro.
Bye, Rafiq. Bye. 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 It's okay, just switch it off. Or you put the stand also, it will go off.
Too good, yeah. So much power.
You don't feel the power, you should go on the highway, only then you understand.
Heavy.
It is pretty heavy. But while riding you will not feel, but these small places you will feel it. Yeah. Okay, bye. Serena, thank you. So I am out of the Evergreen County Resort and I am on my way towards Wayanad. So I will be going to Goni Kuppal and then going via Kutta to Manandavadi. I don't have a stay there. Once I reach there, I will just check what stay is available or something like that, and then will be staying there. So now I have reached Goni Koppal. Another 2 kilometers I have to take a right, I believe. So that is how I need to go towards Kutta. So I'll be taking a right from Goni Koppal. Took the right at the Goni Koppal junction, and now this is Ponnappapet. Look at these roads. Roads are really fantastic and beautiful. I just love these roads which have these, what do you call, the white marking, the shoulder marking, and also the median. It looks fantastic. Even at night, it helps you a lot to recognize where the roads are, because there won't be any lights as such in these roads, so it helps a lot. Look at these roads. It was fantastic till here, but it is green on both sides. Here coffee plantations and other kinds of plantation. Yeah, here you can see coffee, and it's really beautiful driving through these roads. Till here the road was very nice, pretty good. Now it's a little bad, but you can see the view. I don't have to define it. You guys are already seeing it, how good it is. So after Kutta you have this forest range. So maybe if I'm lucky I'll be able to see few animals. Last time when we were on family, we were going on car, I saw a few deers and all that stuff. It was really nice. So almost reaching Kutta. From Kutta till another place, it is actually what you call forest area, and you can see electric fences that has been done here. So I'm sure there must be elephants or other wild animals that come this way. So that's why the lines are electrified. There's this beautiful lake here. It looks fantastic there. I don't think it's a tourist spot, but there are few boats there. Maybe it's for the fishing, but it looks beautiful. That was another checkpost there. So I think we entered Kerala right now. That was a Kerala checkpost, and we entered the Kerala border. So now we'll be heading towards Tolpatti. Done with Kutta, we're going to Tolpatti, and then we will be reaching Tirunelli and then Mananthavadi. I think Mananthavadi is like 25 kilometers from here. So I think this is the Tolpatti junction. Yeah, this is from where they take to Safari, Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. This is the Tolpatti Sanctuary. Let me try. If possible, I'll come over and make a video or go on the safari. You see on the left side, it's complete forest, and there is the KSRTC bus, Aanavandi. It's called the Aanavandi in Kerala. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful road. Let me go slow and hope if I will be able to see some animals. I'm lucky I'll be able to see few deers. You can see the cornerstone everywhere. That is the forest border, and this side, on the right side, you have estates. So you see these cornerstone, those are the boundaries for forest. So anywhere in India you are seeing these stones or the cornerstones, don't try to cross it, because you enter the forest area illegally, you will face serious consequences, and it is not easy. So it is always better to stay away from the forest area. And there is this beautiful stream flowing here. It looks nice. Not too much water because I believe it's not been raining since few days. But it was raining earlier. Like some days back, it was raining. I think these are the jeeps that take people for safari. These are the jeeps, government jeeps, which take the people for safari into the forest. If you are lucky, you will be able to spot something. It's a whole family there, and they will be able to see something. Otherwise, it's just like a safari into the forest. Mostly, this is the area last time where I saw deers, but now it's empty. Nothing. Hopefully, let's see. There are a few more kilometers to go so that I will be able to see something or catch up with something. And one more, guys, when you're traveling through these places, whatever plastic you have or whatever litter you have, please don't throw it here. It is not good. We have senses, human beings, we have senses, but we still do that. Maybe some animal will chew on it or something, it will cause harm. It is not degradable. So please try not to litter and plastic and some waste. Whatever it is, don't try to put your waste here. Keep it in your bag or keep it in your car. Once you reach your destination or you find a dustbin, put it in those designated places. And this Kuru Island, and going right you will go to Tirunelli temple, and this is a famous Unniyappam shop. It's closed, I don't know why, what happened. Let's see, when I come to Tirunelli temple, I'll be able to check out or take a video of the shop. It's a very famous shop. There's a small playground here. And yes, I can smell Kerala here. There's a village here. And there is a stream here, beautiful. And look at all those villages, houses. The Manandavadi Baveli road. This is the road. If I took a right from there, if I am going straight in the opposite direction, I will go to Baveli, HD Kote, and then I can reach Mysore. So I have reached that road and I am going towards Manandavadi. I am in look for a hotel or a place to stay. So let's hope it goes well. And see you guys with yet another exciting video. And this is me, Tom, signing off along with Eclipse. This is Eclipse, and thank you for watching. Look at that view.